Last week, I got an email from Classic from old Ben saying that they had Chinese SKSs in stock, or they had crates of them. And while the price wasn't really a steal, but it wasn't too expensive. So I figured, yeah, I've been working a lot of overtime, so why not get one? It arrived today. I got my friend James here. Was it 1860?
1861 James.
1861. I always forget the date. I've got him here. He's going to be holding the camera while I do some unboxing. We'll just see if my gamble paid off or not. If I don't lose a finger in the process.
God, okay now.
Alright, well, it's pretty well packaged, look like. Oh yeah, I ordered a sling. Can't have an SKS with a sling. That looks different than... No, I guess that's the same thing. Alright. Get rid of the box. I'm so glad it's not like IMA has 8 million packing peanuts that go everywhere. Yeah, that was decently packed. No complaints about that. And the bubble wrap. I did not pay for hand select because I've always kind of thought that that's kind of a scam, really. I mean, oh, I don't know why that's in there. Safety warning. Alright, here's the first look. Oh, it is sticky. Looks pretty decent,
It
really.
is gooey though, and the numbers match.
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay.
I mean,
I didn't know if they would send you a numbers matching or if you could have.
well, from what I've heard, these were re-arsenal, and that's why they packed them in the
Boy,
Cosmoline.
it is gooey though.
Yeah. It looks good. He said that they wouldn't guarantee all of them have a cleaning rod, but that one's got the cleaning rod.
It does have it.
Now let's see, where's the serial number on this thing? Right here.
Right there.
516655. Yep, 16655. The stock matches.
Okay, take a look at that arsenal number. I do believe that is a. If I get it, it's a 26. It's just. Let's try this.
Yeah, it works better. If you get a little bit too close, it doesn't focus. But yeah, the zoom.
And
camera's got a decent zoom.
And it is a factory 26. And let's see, what was the
number on the stock?
Let's see, it's
16655.
It's a 1 million. So this thing's probably a 58 model, which means it's one of the early ones, because they say the first year of production they were 6-digit numbers, and after that they were 7-digit numbers, going up by 1 million each year.
I meant to put some gloves on, but oh well. Yuck. Let's see. Oh, look. 16655. I just cleaned that off, so it is matching.
Wow.
Is there anything else that would match?
Trigger group and mag, and the back of your receiver too.
Did you get it somehow? If we can get. Oh, I was in the
There
line.
you go.
Yep, 16655. Back up, yeah.
All right, let's check your.
Can't see it.
Let's check.
Oh, there we go. Now I got it cleaned off.
All right, now let's see the trigger group and the.
You see, okay, trigger group where? Oh, right here.
Yep.
16655.
Yeah. What about the mag? Bam.
Yes.
Well done, sir.
Oh, I'm not going to be able to do that. My hands are too slippery. There we go. Oh, okay, it's like a screwdriver tip.
Yep.
I thought it was broken off, but no.
Yeah, so when you get stuck with those, they can't sew you up very well.
All right, well, at first look, everything seems good. Yeah.
Even the stock matches.
Hey, stick your finger in here and see if there's anything in the cleaning rod hole. I mean, in the cleaning kit hole.
Yeah, I hear you.
Nope, nothing. Oh man, it's sticking to the plastic. But yeah, there is I don't see a single stock crack. I don't see any dents and dings.
That looks fantastic.
It's got some, a little bit of dents and dings, but heck, they're supposed to, in my opinion.
It's a, what, 60-year-old rifle?
Yeah. And it probably was used, they said it was Vietnam era, so who knows, it was probably issued and used.
There you go.
All right. Well, it looks like old Ben didn't cheat me. Push the, yeah.